Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will learn how to find latest occurrence value of a search key. So in this table we have names of student, and in this column we have the dates whenever they attended the class. Okay. So suppose if we want to find what was the last class attended by Phoebe. Okay, so over here you can see that Phoebe attended last class on 2nd of April, but we cannot use VLOOKUP formula directly, right? Because VLOOKUP will return the first occurrence value, which will be 9th March 2020. Let's try and use a different formula. So the formula is equal to lookup 2 comma 1 divided by bracket open. Then we will select the first column where we have want to search the name of Phoebe. Then we will fix it by pressing F4 key, and then we will select Phoebe's name over here. Okay, F5. Then we will close the bracket, and then we have to select the result vector. So result vector essentially is the classes that was attended by them. So we will select all these classes and fix them by pressing F4 key. Then we will close the bracket and press Control Shift Enter. We are pressing Control Shift Enter here because we have to convert this formula to an array formula. So let's press Control Shift Enter. So as you can see over here, Phoebe attended last class on 2nd of April, which is correct. So let's see when Joey attended the last class. Okay, so we will just write over here Joey. So Joey attended last class on 27th of March, which is correct. So essentially these are the formulas which we have used. I mean, this is the formula, and this at end we have to just press Control Shift Enter.